Stop chasing stale reports. Make Excel do the heavy lifting. Start with clean data. Tables are your best friend. Use Excel pivot tables for fast, interactive summaries across data. Drop in slicers to filter without the fuss. Turn pivots into charts in Excel for visual insight. Link charts to slicers for instant interactivity and control. Use named ranges to keep formulas readable and stable. Use dynamic tables so new rows and columns auto-update. Add a few simple formulas for KPIs, like SUMIFs. Use AverageIfs too for comparative KPIs and trends. Format with conditional formatting to make issues pop. Test your setup by adding sample data rows. Hit refresh. If it updates, you're golden. Quick to build, and even quicker to update. Flexible across data sources and changing needs easily. Actually useful. Dynamic dashboards that save time and look sharp.